here again, and today we're going to be making a super mean strawberry shortcake. It's summertime, it's family grilling time, and everybody's going to be together and everybody has to bring something. This is the perfect recipe to bring, get your family involved too, in the kitchen, make super great family tradition memories. You can get your little kids involved, your teenagers, you can get your elderly, or even the disabled in the family. This is such an easy recipe, doesn't call for anything super crazy, and we're gonna make the nice strawberry shortcake. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna wanna have any sort of milk. This can be oat milk, almond milk, whole milk, 2% milk, skim milk, whatever you like. Then you wanna get any sort of pure vanilla extract. Your mom will have this in the cabinet if you don't have any, or your grandma. I promise, you just gotta check. And then you wanna have your Dream Whip mix. This is the key. So what you're gonna do is in a bowl, you're gonna wanna put your Dream Whip mix. You just wanna open her up, pour her right in. Then you're gonna wanna get half a teaspoon, and this is what you're gonna wanna put your vanilla extract in. You're just gonna put a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract into your bowl. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract is in there, and then you're gonna wanna put your milk right in to your bowl as well. Alright. So now that your mixture is looking somewhat like this, you're gonna wanna either get a whisk. If you have kids, just get one of these right out of the drawer, or if you want to make it a little bit faster of a process, you can use an electric whisker, which on the box it recommends a electric whisker. This is what we normally use. It just goes by in like 2 minutes or so, and then what you want to do is just put it right into the bowl and whisk it up. So for the sake of the video, we already have some fully made. This is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna be super, super, super delicious, and it's super easy. So then what you're gonna wanna do to finish out the strawberry shortcake, you can just get a piece of pound cake, whether that's homemade or from the store. Either way, it doesn't matter because the whipped cream is really the key. And you're gonna wanna get your strawberries, put it on a little cutting board, and then since it's strawberries, I'm just gonna use this plain butter knife to cut them because it's not anything super, super crazy. You're gonna wanna just cut up your strawberries into little pieces. I'll go ahead and show you the station here. Just cut it right on up just like this. Make sure you pull your stems off. And then all you have to do to finalize, make the finishing touches, get any sort of spoon out the drawer and get your Dream Whip and put your Dream Whip right on top. This is so fun and super easy. Such a great recipe. And I know when I was little, I loved to make my family, make my grandparents their little meals or their desserts. This is such an easy way to get your family involved, to get anybody, small, old, or even in the middle, to get them involved and get them to eat super, super delicious food. So if you guys want to know how to make strawberry shortcake, here it is.